By December 2025, 3 AI tools will eliminate 40 million jobs worldwide. If your work involves writing, design, or data, you have less than a year to adapt. This isn't a distant threat. It's happening now, quietly transforming offices everywhere. These tools aren't novelties anymore, they're efficient, integrated, and accelerating. We're witnessing a seismic shift in the job market, dividing those who adapt from those who don't. The "AI is coming for your job" headline is no longer hype. The scale and speed are real. We've moved from theory to deployment. These tools are becoming replacements, not just assistants. The question isn't if, but when, and when is almost here. Today, we'll break down exactly how this is happening, tool by tool. The goal isn't to scare you, but to prepare you. We'll dive into 3 platforms leading this charge, showing you their capabilities and the jobs they're targeting. This is the intel you need to stay ahead. Let's start with a tool you know, now evolved into something far more powerful. Let's talk about ChatGPT Advanced. We're moving beyond the basics and diving into the capabilities that are reshaping industries. This isn't just about a chatbot anymore. It's about a powerful tool that's changing how businesses operate and how work gets done. You might know ChatGPT as a chatbot, a helpful assistant for answering questions and generating text, but that's just the surface. But the enterprise version is a silent assassin, a game changer that's quietly revolutionizing workflows and boosting productivity behind the scenes. It's designed for serious business applications, offering features and capabilities far beyond the standard chatbot. For text-based jobs, ChatGPT Advanced is becoming an indispensable tool. It's not just about generating content, it's about automating tasks, streamlining processes, and freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. Customer service? Think about the possibilities. ChatGPT Advanced handles complex conversations, understanding nuances and responding in a way that feels natural and helpful to customers. It can manage multiple conversations simultaneously, ensuring that no customer is left waiting. It remembers every detail, every interaction, every preference, providing a personalized experience that builds customer loyalty. This level of memory and context is crucial for resolving complex issues and providing consistent service, and never needs a break. It's available 24/7, 365 days a year, ensuring that your customers always have access to support, no matter the time of day or night. Companies are already piloting it, testing its capabilities and integrating it into their existing workflows. The results are often astounding, with significant improvements in efficiency and customer satisfaction, replacing entire support tiers. Routine inquiries are handled automatically, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex and challenging cases. Internal communications, streamlining information flow and improving collaboration within organizations. Weekly reports, generating summaries and insights from vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Marketing emails personalized and targeted to specific customer segments, increasing engagement and driving conversions. AI generates them in seconds, not hours. Imagine the time savings and the increased output. Watch, a prompt goes in, a simple instruction outlining the desired output, and a polished, ready-to-send document appears complete with formatting, tone, and style guidelines in 30 seconds. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable. The efficiency is staggering. Businesses are seeing dramatic improvements in productivity across a wide range of tasks. Why hire 5 writers, paying salaries, benefits, and overhead, when one AI editor working alongside a human prompter can do the work of 10? It's a fundamental shift in the economics of content creation. The writer's job is shifting, evolving from a sole creator to a collaborator with AI, from creator to AI prompter and editor. The ability to craft effective prompts and refine AI-generated content is becoming a highly valued skill. In law, paralegals once spent weeks on discovery, sifting through mountains of documents to find relevant information. Now, AI scans terabytes of documents, quickly and efficiently identifying key evidence and patterns, summarizes, condensing vast amounts of information into concise and easily digestible summaries, and flags issues in minutes, identifying potential risks and inconsistencies that might have been missed by human reviewers. The human role becomes oversight, not execution, focusing on strategic decision-making and ensuring the quality of AI-generated results. And you need fewer overseers than workers. As AI takes on more of the routine tasks, the need for large teams of supervisors diminishes. Social media managers? What does the future hold? AI handles 90% of interactions, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and even creating engaging content. shrinking teams from 5 to 1 or 2, allowing those remaining team members to focus on strategy, campaign development, and community building. HR, even human resources, is being transformed. AI screens thousands of resumes, quickly identifying the most qualified candidates based on specific criteria, and shortlists candidates in minutes, saving HR professionals countless hours of manual review. This isn't a prediction, some far-off future scenario. It's happening now. Companies are actively deploying these technologies and seeing real results. Productivity gains are too big to ignore. Businesses that embrace AI are gaining a significant competitive advantage. Every interaction makes the AI smarter. The more it's used, the better it becomes at understanding and responding to human needs. The gap between human and AI output is only growing. As AI continues to improve, the difference in productivity will become even more pronounced. If your job is measured, if your performance is evaluated based on quantifiable metrics, by the volume of words, the number of reports generated, or the speed of task completion, or text-based tasks, pay attention, because the changes are coming fast. The ground is shifting. The foundations of many industries are being shaken by the rise of AI. The key question, the one you need to be asking yourself right now: can this AI do a significant part, a substantial portion, of my job? Be honest with yourself. If yes, your role is already being reevaluated. Companies are actively looking for ways to leverage AI to improve efficiency and reduce costs. And it's not just about words. The impact of AI extends far beyond text-based tasks. The same disruption is coming for images. The ability to create high-quality visuals with AI is rapidly advancing. The next tool is creating visuals, generating stunning images from simple text prompts, indistinguishable from human art. The line between human-created and AI-generated art is blurring. The creative world is about to change forever. The implications for artists, designers, and marketers are profound. Let's see how. Let's delve deeper into the world of AI-generated visuals and explore the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Now let's talk visuals. We're entering a new era, one where the tools of creation are rapidly evolving. It's a fascinating and frankly a little unsettling time. For years, creative work seemed safe from automation. The human touch, the artistic eye, the spark of inspiration, these were considered uniquely human qualities beyond the reach of algorithms and code. Not anymore. The landscape is shifting beneath our feet. What was once considered impossible is now becoming reality. Meet Midjourney V6, the AI art generator that produces photorealistic images with stunning detail and nuance. It's not just about creating pictures, it's about crafting entire worlds with a few lines of text, and mimics any style, from the brushstrokes of Van Gogh to the sleek lines of modern art. The possibilities are truly limitless, from corporate to anime. It can adapt to any aesthetic, any vision with remarkable ease. Marketing used to mean expensive shoots, elaborate sets, and a team of professionals working for days to capture the perfect image, and weeks of editing, retouching, and perfecting every detail. The process was time-consuming and resource-intensive. Now, a prompt creates 4 stunning campaign images, each tailored to your specific needs and target audience, in under a minute. The speed at which these images are generated is simply astounding. The cost? Pennies. A fraction of what it would cost to produce the same visuals through traditional means. The speed? Inhuman. It's a level of efficiency that was previously unimaginable. Your boss is already testing this. They're exploring the possibilities, evaluating the potential, and considering how AI can transform their workflows. It's not just ads, website assets, social graphics, logos, all generated in minutes. The implications for content creation are profound. Designers are shifting from creators from the hands-on execution of visual elements to curators, selecting and refining the best outputs from AI-generated options and prompters. The ability to craft effective prompts to guide the AI towards a specific vision is becoming an increasingly valuable skill. 1 or 2 AI art directors, armed with the right tools and the right prompts, can now do the work of a whole team. This has significant implications for the future of creative employment. Adobe is integrating AI directly into Photoshop, blurring the lines between traditional editing and AI-powered generation. The line between human and AI creation is vanishing, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish between what's real and what's generated. Need a new product mock-up in 50 colorways? Different angles, different lighting, different textures? AI delivers in an hour. A task that once took days or weeks can now be completed in a matter of minutes. Freelance designers are now competing with a tool, not just other designers, that's faster, cheaper, and just as good. In many cases, it's becoming difficult to tell the difference. The market will be flooded with high-quality, AI-generated visuals, creating a sea of content that's both impressive and overwhelming, driving down prices for human work, making it harder for designers to compete on price alone. The debate over who the real artist is, whether it's the person who crafts the prompt or the AI that generates the image, doesn't matter in business. The result is what counts. The bottom line is what matters most. High-end strategists and conceptual artists will survive, those who can provide the vision and direction that AI can't. But production work is being automated at breakneck speed, leaving many designers struggling to adapt. Stock photography? Why pay for it when you're looking for a specific image or a unique visual? When you can generate unique images for free, tailored to your exact specifications and without any licensing restrictions. Each new version of Midjourney is a quantum leap, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated art. The pace is relentless, and it shows no signs of slowing down. The future of creative work is being shaped before our very eyes. If your job is creating or editing images, if you're a graphic designer, a photographer, or a visual artist, you must master these tools. You must embrace AI as a partner, not an enemy, or risk being left behind. The choice is yours. Your value must shift from technician, from simply executing tasks, to strategist, to someone who can think critically, solve problems, and provide creative direction. The drive for efficiency in text and images, the relentless pursuit of faster, cheaper, and better content brings us to the final frontier, the next great challenge in the age of AI, data. The world runs on data, it fuels our economies, drives our decisions, and shapes our understanding of the world. And AI is about to change everything. The way we collect, analyze, and utilize data will never be the same. The last piece of the puzzle, the final element clicking into place. It represents the culmination of efforts, the resolution of a complex problem, and the dawn of a new era in data understanding. Is data analysis. The ability to sift through vast oceans of information, identify patterns, and extract actionable insights. It's the key to unlocking hidden potential and making informed decisions. For decades, analysts turned raw data into insights. They were the interpreters of the digital world, spending countless hours poring over spreadsheets and reports. Their expertise was invaluable, but the process was often slow and laborious. Now, Claude 3 Opus is automating that entire process. It's taking on the heavy lifting, freeing up human analysts to focus on higher-level strategic thinking and creative problem-solving. Its massive context window and reasoning ability let it analyze books, absorbing knowledge and identifying key themes with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Spreadsheets, crunching numbers and uncovering hidden trends that would take human analysts weeks to find. And financial histories, understanding market dynamics and predicting future performance with remarkable precision. In one go, processing vast amounts of information simultaneously, identifying connections and patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. Quarterly reviews that took teams a week, the endless meetings, the late nights, the mountains of paperwork. Claude analyzes, finds key drivers, pinpointing the factors that are truly impacting performance and identifying areas for improvement. Flags risks, identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities before they can cause significant damage, and creates a slide deck, a comprehensive and visually compelling presentation that summarizes the key findings and recommendations in minutes. What once took days now takes mere minutes, freeing up valuable time and resources for more strategic initiatives. The quality of insight is often better. AI sees connections humans miss, uncovering hidden relationships and patterns that would otherwise go unnoticed, and has no cognitive bias. It analyzes data objectively, without being influenced by preconceived notions or personal opinions. Financial analysts, market researchers, consultants, AI is automating their workflows, streamlining processes, increasing efficiency, and freeing up valuable time for more strategic initiatives. Junior consultants once spent days gathering data and making slides, the tedious and time-consuming tasks that were once the bread and butter of entry-level positions. Now a senior partner can do it all with AI. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to gain deeper insights, make better decisions, and drive greater success. Data scientists are shifting from analysis, the repetitive and time-consuming tasks of data manipulation and statistical modeling, to asking the right questions, framing the problem, defining the objectives, and identifying the key variables that need to be analyzed. And validating AI output, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the AI's findings and identifying any potential biases or errors. The interface is now natural language, no more complex coding or arcane commands. You ask, AI answers, providing instant insights and actionable recommendations in a clear and concise manner. This democratizes analysis, making powerful analytical tools accessible to a wider range of users, regardless of their technical expertise. But devalues specialists, whose skills are becoming increasingly commoditized as AI takes over many of their traditional tasks. Who were once gatekeepers? The exclusive club of data experts is now open to anyone with a question and a willingness to learn. The barrier to entry for high-level analysis. The complex and sophisticated techniques that were once the domain of PhDs and seasoned professionals is collapsing. The walls are crumbling, the gates are opening, and a new era of data-driven decision-making is dawning. Hedge funds use AI to analyze news and trends, scouring the internet for breaking stories and emerging patterns that could impact the market. In real time, no human team can keep up. The speed and scale of AI-powered analysis is simply unmatched by human capabilities. Supply chain managers use AI to predict disruptions, anticipating potential problems, and proactively mitigating risks before they can impact operations, and suggest solutions instantly, providing immediate and effective solutions to keep the supply chain running smoothly. The core value of the knowledge worker, thinking, reasoning, synthesizing, is under threat. The very skills that have defined the knowledge worker for decades are now being challenged by the rise of AI. If your job is spreadsheets, reports, or turning data into insights, the clock is ticking. The demand for these skills is rapidly declining as AI becomes more capable of performing these tasks. Demand for manual data crunching and report writing is about to collapse. The traditional roles of data analysts and report writers are being rapidly replaced by AI-powered solutions. The future is about being a strategist, a question asker, and a validator of AI insights. The skills that will be most valued in the future are those that complement and augment AI capabilities. Move up the value chain, direct the analysis, don't just do it. Focus on the strategic aspects of data analysis, rather than getting bogged down in the details. ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude are reshaping the professional world, transforming the way we work, the skills we need, and the value we bring to the table. This isn't speculation, it's already happening. The AI revolution is not a future event, it's a present reality. The only question, what will you do about it? Will you embrace the change, adapt to the new reality, and position yourself for success? Or will you resist the inevitable and risk being left behind? The choice is yours. That's the reality. AI is transforming writing, visuals, and data analysis. The roles of writer, designer, and analyst are being permanently altered. Ignoring this isn't an option, but panic isn't the answer. The solution? Adapt now. Upskill in AI literacy. You don't need to code, but you must master prompting and collaborating with AI. Use these tools to multiply your output. Become the director, not the worker. Lean into uniquely human skills. Strategy, emotional intelligence, problem framing, leadership. Make yourself indispensable as the strategist who wields these tools. The future of work is here, and the prepared will inherit it. Subscribe for more career protection tips. Next week, 3 body language tricks to make you irreplaceable.